Hello. I'm gonna play on chicken.
Look at going on.
Hold on a second, kid.
I don't need nothing.
Stop.
Ah, don't do that.
The sheen tastes like peppermint stuff. I don't know.
Ah,
Alright, you ready, kid?
Gaga.
Don't run. Here, stand right there for a minute. You ready?
I ain't gonna do that. Do you guys always do this?
No, this is the first time. I hope it works. She's not gonna go this time.
You can't.
Bethany, come here. You're gonna have to get
No,
close.
you.
No,
You can do
you
it.
want me to close the door, or do you want to close the door? I need to see how much,
Okay.
because that's not gonna pull it. You want me to close the door?
I'm scared.
You gotta move
you
forward
gotta
a little bit.
Just hang on.
I'm thinking.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, kid.
I'm just keeping that.
Not yolk.
I'm
Ready?
keeping that body.
Oops.
Don't shoot too hard.
Isn't that floss gonna stay on there?
It's fine.
Nuts.
Are you ready?
Can I?
No.
Lily.
Go move. You're in the way. Move. Are you ready?
I want to see.
Okay, hold on.
Wow.
Say win. Oh, I came off.
I told you.
It's not going to stay on.
Fine, round 2. Hold on. Alright, let's try this again. Come on.
It wasn't tightened up. How about you put a whoa? That's not even gonna fit in your mouth.
That's scary.
Ah! You're gonna do it like that. Get all your teeth out.
Okay, be still.
I can't believe she's doing it again.
See, that's not so bad. Is that scary?
Oh no, I just heard I don't want to see myself.
Okay, you don't have to see yourself. Just hold on. How would they do this?
I told you have to come over.
I'm
Are
trying.
you guys copying this one to me, China?
Come here, kid.
There we go, friends. It's the same thing that they do.
Okay, be still.
I don't think a floss is strong enough.
It is. Very strong.
Want to try that? Want to try it again?
Okay, have her back up a little bit.
Back up a little bit. Little bit.
Okay.
Okay, so ready?
Set.
Say win.
Win.
Oh, I can't.
Again?
Don't move it. Stop it. Come here.
What happened?
This is not even gonna work.
It's gonna work.
I bet no.
Bethany, come here. I'll take you to Toys R Us. Come on.
After?
Yep.
Hey, no,
It
she's
works.
gonna play with me.
Okay, kid.
How about after I eat?
Stop. You gotta be still. It's gonna work this time, okay, kid?
Get real tight.
Okay.
Thanks, my
Just move it forward and put it under there.
Huh?
Just move it forward and put it up under there.
Okay, you ready now?
I know you.
Say win. Did it work that time? Let me see. Open your mouth. Did it not work, girl?
Is it gone?
Let me see. Is it gone?
I want to see.
Is it gone?
It's still there.
How about you just take a paper towel?
You little me, I'm going to eat you. And I'll tell you and pull all your teeth out. And never come back to you again. I go get 'em.
You no matter what.
I'll make 'em.